Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we'll see a quick and easy breakfast recipe using this poha. Here I have 2 cups of poha, medium. Wash it thoroughly and drain out the water. Now to this I am adding some turmeric powder. Some hing or asafoetida and salt to taste. Mix all these well together and we'll keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add some mustard seeds, a few cashew nuts. This is about 2 teaspoons of urad dal. I have soaked in water, drain it out and add. You can soak it for about 15 minutes. Also, Channa dal I have soaked. Next, 2 green chillis I have chopped finely and also a few curry leaves. When the dals are also stir fried and slightly start changing color, now I am adding half a cup of grated coconut to it and again toss everything well together till the coconut slightly changes to a brownish color. Meanwhile, our poha has become nice and soft and fluffy too. Now add in this poha which we had washed, drained, added salt and haldi and hing to it. Now mix everything well together. Reduce the flame. Stir it over a low flame so that it doesn't stick to the kadai. Just stir it for 2 or 3 minutes till all the ingredients are well mixed and nice and fluffy. Finally, add a teaspoon of ghee on top. For added flavor, it is optional. Give it all a good mix and we can switch it off. Finally, top it up with some fresh coriander leaves and your healthy, quick and easy breakfast Thengai Aval or coconut poha is ready. We'll make a simple chutney as a side dish for this. Here I have 1 green chilli, a small piece of ginger, a little bit of tamarind and 1/4 cup of this chutney dal, putani dal, roasted gram. Different names for it and a little salt. As always, dry run it first. When it becomes a powder, add water and make it into a chutney. For tempering the chutney, heat a teaspoon of oil, add some mustard seeds, a little bit of urad dal, 1 dry red chilli, and a few curry leaves. Now pour this over the chutney. Our chutney is also ready. Now our easy and quick breakfast, healthy and tasty too, Thengai Aval or coconut poha with some chutney, which can be made in under 10 minutes. This is such a versatile recipe. It's a quick and easy breakfast for busy mornings. You can pack it in your lunch box too. Evening when children come home from school, then also you can make it. Or if you want a light dinner, then too you can have this. Healthy, easy, tasty and quick. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with an interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.